In this video, I'll show you how to write text on an image in Google Docs. If you want to place text directly on top of a picture in Google Docs, the easiest method is to use the built-in drawing tool. Google's help pages and help community guidance show that Docs does not place text over an image the same way a design app does. So the usual workaround is to insert the image into a drawing, then add a text box or word art on top of it. That lets you move the text and image together as one object inside your document. Let's go step by step. First, open your Google Docs document and click in the place where you want the finished image to appear. Then go to the top menu, click Insert, choose Drawing, and then click New. This opens a drawing canvas where you can combine different objects, including images and text boxes. Google's official drawing help says you can insert an image and also place text inside a text box from that same canvas. Once the drawing window opens, click the Image button and upload the photo you want to use. After the image appears on the canvas, resize it if needed by dragging the corners. Google's official help explains that images in a drawing can be moved, resized, and formatted like other shapes, which makes this method useful when you want to position text exactly where you want it on top of the picture. Now it's time to add the text. In the drawing window, click Text Box, then click and drag on the image to create a text box. After that, type your text. Google says text boxes in drawings can be resized and formatted so you can change the font, color, bold style, and size to make the words stand out better against the picture. You can also drag the text box to a different spot until it looks right. If you want something more decorative, you can use word art instead of a regular text box. Google's drawing help says word art places text directly on the canvas as a shape, while a text box places text inside a confined box area. So if you want simple captions, a text box is usually better. But if you want larger style title text on the image, word art can be a good option. Here's a helpful tip while editing. If the text is hard to read, try making the font bigger, changing the text color, or placing the text over a less busy part of the image. You can also resize the text box and reposition it several times before saving. Since both the picture and the text are inside the same drawing, they stay together when you insert them into the document. That is exactly why Google Docs users often rely on the drawing method for layering text over pictures. When everything looks good, click Save and Close. The completed drawing will appear in your Google Doc. If you want to change it later, just click the image in the document and choose Edit. That will reopen the drawing so you can move the text, change the wording, or replace the picture without starting over. Google's drawing workflow is built for that kind of editing. So the simple process is this. Go to Insert, then Drawing. Add your image, place a text box or word art on top of it, format the text, and then save it back into the document. That's the easiest way to write text on an image in Google Docs. Hope the tutorial was helpful. Subscribe to my channel and see you in the next video.